Good morning, children. This is Manohar Jha. The second part I am going to teach you about the elements, compound and mixture. Here, dear children, before knowing more about the element, compound and mixture, yesterday I have given the definitions to all of you. Now we should come towards about the atom. For learning the element, compound, mixture, it is necessary to know about the atom. The first one, atom, the Kanad. He was the Indian philosopher. Maharishi Kanad was the Indian philosopher. He has told the matter is made up of the small particles. It's called the Parmanu. Parmanu. In Hindi name is the Param Anu, means सबसे छोटा. Then after Parmanu is going to combine with the other Parmanu, it forms the Anu. Anu means छोटा. Ultimately, the body, that matter is made up of the 5 elements. Chiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. Chiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. After that, dear children, after so many times, the Greek philosopher has came and they given the name of this thing, the atmos. Look here, atmos, A-T-O-M-O-S, atmos. Atmos means individual. The substance, the small particles which are the individual, means not divisible. After that, it comes to the theory of the 2 persons. The Dalton atomic theory. Dalton has come, he told atoms are indestructible, means atoms cannot be destroyed. Then second point he told atoms are indivisible also. Atoms cannot divide it. And number third, atoms of the same element are alike in all respect. Means suppose this is the chalk, the atom of this chalk, all the parts of the chalks are same in all respect. But nowadays in the modern atomic theory has came and he told no, atoms are destructible, means can be divided. Number second, atoms are divisible in 3 parts, electron, proton and neutron. The atoms of the same elements may not be alike. In the case of isotopes we can see. Now you can see here an atom is a basic unit of matter. An atom is the basic unit of matter. Basic unit of the matter. And second is the smallest particle of an element which may not exist its own but take part in the chemical reaction. After that, dear children, there are so many scientists has come to discuss about the atom. First one, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson told the atom is totally negatively charged and it is the electron. It contains electron. But the Goldstein told it's alright that atom is totally negatively charged, then how they are not going to attack with the positive? Means they are neutral. So there are some positive charge also. The name is given proton. But where it is situated in the atom, that at not discover for that. Then Lord Rutherford has done the gold foil experiment and he found there is the positive charge in the center of the atom. And negative charge is spread uniformly around the center. That center has come about named the nucleus. After that, dear children, another scientist has come, James Chadwick. James Chadwick told it's alright, the mass of electron, proton are negligible. So where the mass is coming in this atom, so he found there another substance, its name has given neutron, but it does not contain any charge. Now, we see the structure of atom. Atom is structured like this way. Here this is the center, nucleus. It contains the proton, positively charged particle, according to your Lord Rutherford. And then here neutron is situated, which gives the mass to the body, the atom. And another cell like the solar system here, like the cell is this one, is called the orbit or cell. It contains the electrons. So ultimately we'll see in this chart, the particle electron has negative charge, negligible mass, no mass, nothing is at all. Then proton. Proton contain one positive charge. Its mass is 1 AMU. 1 AMU means 1 atomic mass unit. This I will discuss you later on. Then after neutron. Neutron containing no charge and its mass is also 1 AMU. These two are giving the mass to the atom. In the next video, I will discuss you about the electronic configurations and how the electrons are going to arrange. Then I will come towards the metallic and non-metallic elements.